He wants to say that the most important message that it's very good for him and for the children with the disabilities because it's very cool. In fact, he said he just not just like, he love it because it's helped him every day in everyday life. I think if Marc had this Alinker, it can help him a lot in school, especially in school in the recreation area, because he was afraid sometimes to play with others or to go, as you know, children, they are running a lot. And when you have mobility problems like Marc, for example, you are afraid to fall. So you have to sit. You have to sit and not always participate in some games or to be inside of the group, even with your friends. And the children, they're children, even if he has a lot of friends. Marc, he has only neurotypical friends because he's the only child with the cerebral palsy in his school. So a lot of times you stay alone. He can't run in real life, but with Alinker, he can almost run. So we don't have any atrophies, he's still doing sports and so on, but with Alinker, of course, he can walk much more long distances and he's much more active. What I want to say to the parents about campaign, honestly, I think it's a great chance to have a small Alinker for the small children. If I had such chance for Marc, I just jump on this opportunity. Why? Because first of all, you make your child happy and very active. Second, what a lot of parents can't understand, it's very different from any walker because you can sit and your child not tired. With the Alinker, you protect the alignment of his hips, and you don't have the problem with the hips, with the bones and so on in the future. It's very important. On the Alinker, you're sitting, you have alignment, and at the same time, you're walking muscles. So you're doing all the things in order to get the better future for the child.